Hello everyone, I'm Nina, and in this video I will be sketching one of my girl followers and talking about what is going on lately with my channel and social media. In this video, I will be sketching the lovely Rosa that I chose because she had the coolest picture and tagged a friend that loved art that was part of my challenge on my Instagram and Facebook. Actually, a lot of people tagged their art friends, as you can see here on my Instagram, so thank you very much for that. I will definitely be doing more of these challenges in the future when they're so popular and people seem to like them. The materials I'll be using for this sketch is a 2H pencil, and for creating contrast, I will be using a B and 2B pencils. In the end, of course, I use my favorite black pencil to create depth. As always, when I sketch from reference on my iPad, I use a pencil as a measurement tool to get proportions right. The trick is to allow yourself to make mistakes and then correct them and refine your proportions as you slowly get closer and closer to how the person actually looks like. Don't focus on the smaller parts and details in the beginning. Get the big picture before you focus on the smaller parts. The thing is that if you get lost in focusing on the small parts, you will lose the whole picture and may have to start all over again. So the person that I chose to sketch is Rosa. She's from Denmark, she's 17 years old, and she loves to draw just like I do. Also, we found out by her tag and comments that her mom is an artist too. It must run in the family. You should go and check them out. But you don't have to go far for now, because I will actually visit Rosa's profile and show you a cool drawing she did of Tinkerbell. And as the last thing, I'm going to introduce an art group I started on Facebook where me, Rosa, and a lot of others are sharing and giving each other feedback on our art. Right now we're 60 people and growing. I'm actually very proud of the atmosphere in this group because people are so nice and supportive of each other. Unfortunately, I can't show you the inside of the group because it's said to be a safe and private place to share your art. You can become part of it too, if you are willing to abide by the rules and give more than you take. My husband is there too, by the way. I will put a link in the description and link you to my drawing tutorials so you have something to show in the group if you decide to join. So, the next thing I start doing is filling out the details of the eyes and nose and hair and everything. Sit back and relax, and I will show you my Instagram while I continue the drawing. In the end of this video, I will introduce you to another Rosa that is very much relevant these days because of the entire BLM movement that is swiping across the world. So, now let's take a look at Rosa's public profile and drawings. First of all, she did my how to draw drops tutorial, I can see. This is solid work. I can also see she does nails with cute motifs, and here's the picture that we're drawing right now. And because me and Rosa, I learned this by stalking her profile, and by the way, I stalk you guys' profiles too, lol. Well, we're both huge Disney fans. So, look at this drawing she did of Tinkerbell. Super cool and a lot of improvement to see here since 2015. If she continues improving like this, I think she will be fantastic in a few years. Also, she's a Lady Gaga fan, but then again, who is not? Congrats and thanks again to Rosa for letting me use her beautiful picture for the sketchbook video. As I promised, here's another Rosa. This is Rosa Parks, that was a strong black woman who knew how to say no to racial segregation and bad behavior in general all the way back in the 1950s. I guess there is no other way to say it than discriminating because of someone's skin color is unacceptable in 2020. I'll put a Wikipedia link in the description if you want to educate yourself on Rosa Parks. With those words from Rosa and me, this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it and that you will leave a comment below telling me if you want to see a true crime version of my next sketchbook where I sketch a horrible murder that took place in real life. Write Kim Val or just Kim in comments if you do. See you soon guys, bye!